Okay, Captain Larry, I think the 29th of January, it's Friday. Haven't been to the boat for 2 weeks, but we've been busy today. One of the things we did was get the second AGM battery in there. That's that orange one. Made a couple of little cables so they're in parallel, got those wired up. So those are the house batteries. They're deep cycle AGMs, much better than a wet battery, like the one next to it. And then we took the electrical panel, an instrument panel here on the helm console, and started labeling everything. So you see all the circuit breakers are labeled, and then we got little wire labels and labeled all the numbered all the wires that are connected to the circuit breakers. And then we started with our little table over here to write down, document what everything is. Got the switches labeled here, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And so we've been tracing out some wires, and we put the camera down and put this thing back. I'm getting ready to leave the boat here, so I want to put this back. I guess put the camera over here so you can see me struggle with this thing. So anyway, that goes in there like that, and I just take this handy dandy little piece of plastic and cover the thing when I'm not here. Since there's a window or a port right next to it, I haven't had anything leak on it, but sure everything is turned off. Had one on there by mistake. Okay, so you got this handy dandy little thing from Radio Shack, which will put an RF signal on the cable and a little tone detector so you can go around and find out where the cables go. And got the solar hooked up to the AGM batteries this time instead of the starting batteries. Excitement today. I figured out what circuit breaker the water pump is on. This is the water pump right here. And what switch controlled it, and that thing roared to life. So that's good news. Down here, where we spent most of the day, found out that this light here is on an independent circuit separate from the rest of the cabin lights for no known reason. Found out that I had defective switches in both of these nice little nickel-plated brass light fixtures, the ones that I'm making the bulb adapter for. But the switches are apparently junk, as they both failed. So I'm going to take those home, put new switches in. Up here in the forecastle, both of these lamps are working, and put a new bulb, that one of those 1004 bulbs fit in there in place of the English bulb, so that's good news. And what else did we do? I think that's pretty much it. God, it looks like a mess in here, but we got those two fixtures off and ready to take home. We've got the basic cable wiring and the numbering process started. We got the boat aired out. While we're here, I'll show you the solar panels, which are just temporarily installed. A real lash up here with they're just leaning against the handrails, and then the bungee cord keeps them from flying off in the wind, and that's been keeping my starting battery up nice. I came and the thing just started right up today. Battery was up just the way it should be, so I'm going to let it charge the AGM batteries. So anyway, I guess that's what we accomplished today, but it's a good start. I've got to go charge the electric car, so I got to leave an hour earlier than I want to.